Today we're gonna unbox a thing that my mommy student gave to us.
Sabi niya kasi siya mag-i-intro. So, ngayon mag-unbox kami ng mga Chinese New Year gifts. Although advanced. Pero yan, i-unbox namin. Mga gifts to ng mga estudyante namin sa amin. So, Starbucks, gift to sa akin ng isang estudyante. Ito naman, itong malaking red box na to, galing to sa isang student ni Kim. Buksan muna natin yung sa akin kasi maliit lang to. So, ito galing to kay Liza. Ayan. Let's open it. I think, alam niyo naman, cup siya. So, ayan. Come here.
Lisa.
Oh, look at that. Oh, pang Year of the Dragon. Look at that. Ayan oh, galing oh. May engraving siya oh.
There's a pack.
So, here's the logo. So, meron siyang dragon. Ayan oh, ganda.
Wow.
And ang color niya is parang gold.
A little
Gold siya, no? Parang ano bang color to? Ano bang color tong ganito?
goldish gold.
So, ayan. Ito siya. So, let's open it. Ganda oh. Tinan mo. Let's open it.
Wow.
Ayan. Yan lang. Ganyan lang siya. So, pwede rito yung hot siguro and cold.
Yay.
Ganda oh. Ayan. So, not bad. Yan. Salamat sa estudyante. Okay. So, we're done with this.
Yep.
Okay, next.
Now,
So,
next is the
mabilis
big
na unboxing lang to. Okay, let's open this one. Ano kaya to? Pagkain to for sure.
I don't know, but I think it is food. Mooncakes or nah. it's
Sabi
not-
dito, Din Tai Fung. Din Tai Fung. Di ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Ito magaan siya.
because yeah, it doesn't really
Okay.
know.
How to open this one? Wait. Ayan.
Oh,
Okay. Let's see.
3,
Tara! Okay, yung una
2,
makakita niya.
1.
Oh, what is this?
What?
Huh?
Are those?
What is this? Okay, empty. Empty, empty siya. So, lalagyan mo siya. So, empty hongbao. So, empty hongbao. Akala ko meron na, oh.
Yeah, me too.
Muntik na, oh. 1, 2, 3,
Duh.
4. 4. 5. Pero baka merong, 5.
By accident.
6. 6 siya. So, baka parang ito yung tradition nila. So, kailangan meron kang ganito. So, I don't know what's the meaning of this. Siguro, ito yung mga sinasabit nila sa pintuan eh. Yung kinakabit nila.
Food? I
this
don't
is
know,
food.
but I think it's food.
Yeah.
Yeah, tas
Wow,
I
merong-
think
what's
it's just
this?
food. I don't know, guys, but
So, yan.
I
Tapos
don't
merong,
read Chinese
meron
characters
ding,
a lot. Okay.
ito merong brochure ng pagkain. Yan. So, may brochure ng pagkain. Alright, so let's put this back. So, this box is done.
Yay.
Yeah?
Get the
Fung.
Okay.
Danny's right. It's Fung.
It's Fung?
Typhoon. Din Typhoon. The
Ah.
name of the...
Okay, so this one is done. Let's put it aside. Oh, ito mabigat. So, yung kanina magaan yun.
It's
So,
like
ngayon ito mabigat naman. Okay, let's open this one. No, my check. Hindi lang talaga ako nakakabasa ng Chinese. So, tingnan na lang natin kung ano to. Uy, what is this?
what?
No, definitely this is food. So, buksan ko na ba? Buksan ko na? No.
Wait.
Pero, ang...
I mean,
para siyang matamis.
Baka tikoy.
Hindi siya matamis. Para siyang
Red
ayun,
bean.
parang may mga red bean. May red bean. Tapos, siguro mango to. Parang mixed fruits. Parang dessert nila. So, yan. Hindi na natin buksan kasi hindi naman namin kakainin ngayon. So, yan. Dessert. Alam na natin yan. Dessert yan. And next one. Ang dami naman. So, there are 4 boxes in this box.
wow.
Ayan. So, buksan natin to.
I can use this for my.
Oh, mabigat din.
It's also food.
Oh, this one naman, ay ganun din. So, parang ito naman, para din siyang Para din siyang parang kalamay to. Kalamay type.
Yan yung tikoy nila.
Parang tikoy nila. Yung tikoy nila dito.
It looks
Ini-steam
like
daw.
Yan. So, ini-steam daw
melty
to.
pearl.
Sabi ni Miss Joyce.
Okay. And then, last one. So, pagkain siya.
It's heavy again.
So, food na naman to.
Ooh. What is it?
Oh. Ito parang tikoy din. Parang ito yung normal na tikoy. Ayan siya, oh.
What is decoy?
So, pwede itong i-fry or, ewan ko, paano nyo ba ito niluluto? Matagal na rin akong di nakakain ng tikoy eh. So, yan. Wow. Looks yummy.
Wow.
Pwede natin itong kainin sa weekend. So, yun lang guys. So, ang laman ng box, so merong tatlong food for dessert. Tatlong food for dessert. And may mga hongbao na pwede mong lamanan. So, yan siya. So, ayun! Ito pala yun. Ito nga. Ito yung tatlong laman niya. Ito siya. Grabe. Wow. I'm excited to eat this. So, this one, nakikita nyo, yung parang dark siya na tikoy. Tapos merong laman. Tapos, ito yung pangalawa natin binuksan eh. Ito yung una. Ito yung pangalawa, yun yung pangatlo. So, puro desserts yan, mga yan. Mga matatamis yan.
So what's inside?
Ito, natikman ko na to before. Itong dalawa, hindi ko pa natitikman. So, siguro i-vlog natin kapag binuksan na namin. Alright, so yun lang guys. Here, Daniela, you want to end it?
Yeah.
Oh, you end it. You say? That's
all for today.
That's all for today, guys. So, I'll see you again. Marami pa tayong mga videos na dapat i-upload. And yun lang. So, Happy Chinese New Year, guys. I'll see you in the next one.